Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us, and if you are preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, then you are at the right place. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Beat. At Legal Bee, we keep on providing you different exam preparation content, strategic videos, all over here at one place. So आप जल्दी से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और सारे वीडियोस को जरूर देखिएगा. It's very beneficial for you. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. Call us on this number 9205524028. Visit our website www.iexamb.com and check out the entire course details. Courses के आप डेमो भी एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं. I have started a series today that is relating to important questions for various examinations where you have insurance laws, banking laws as a part of your syllabus. Many students have a doubt what to study, which are the important areas from where MCQs can be framed. What category of MCQs, kind of MCQs can be framed from these laws? So all of this can help you all in the form of these practice questions, which I have started today, important MCQ series. The first area that I am going to take up is from insurance laws. Insurance laws में मेरा first part रहेगा, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999. IRDA is what I am going to take up in this video today, जिसमें से मैं आपके साथ कुछ questions discuss करने वाली हूँ. आप इन वीडियोस के साथ पीपीटी को भी डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं फॉर योर फ्यूचर रेफरेंस प्रैक्टिस. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो आप हमें वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस सीरीज. आई एम गोइंग टू कवर इंश्योरेंस लॉज एज वेल एज banking laws in this series that I have started newly. First question is very simple, relating to enforcement of IRDA Act 1999. Many times you get questions from enforcement dates as well. So the correct answer will be, we may get confused, is it 1999, but the correct answer is C, 19 April 2000. Remember IRDA Act का enforcement date 19 April है and that is in 2000, not in 1999. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority was set up on the recommendation of Mr. R. N. Malhotra Committee, a retired governor of RBI, all of the above, both A and C. अभी इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में अगर आप ऑप्शंस देखते हो तो भी आप आंसर को इजीली गेस कर सकते हो अगर आपको पता नहीं भी है तो, बाय अप्लाइंग सिंपल लॉजिक. यहाँ पे आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि आर एन मल्होत्रा है, मल्होत्रा कमिटी उन्हीं के नाम पे, सो इट माइट बी हेडेड बाय हिम. And he is also a retired governor of RBI. So the correct answer over here is all of the above. IRDI was established by R. N. Malhotra as retired governor of RBI he was, and he is obviously going to head the Malhotra committee. जब भी हम कोई अथॉरिटी बेस्ड एक्ट्स पढ़ते हैं तो उनकी कॉम्पोजिशन, उनके एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, उस अथॉरिटी रिलेटेड इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. Chairperson and every other whole-time member shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office and shall be eligible for reappointment. Not hold office as chairperson after he has attained the age of 65 years. Not hold office as a whole-time member after he has attained the age of 62 years. Both B and C, all of the above. Correct answer over here is E, all of the above. Section 5 covers this. Tenure of office of chairperson and other members. Chairperson and every other whole-time member shall hold office for a term of 5 years, and that too counted from the date on which he enters upon his office, and he shall also be eligible for reappointment. Provided जो proviso clauses हैं, they are talking about chairperson and whole-time member, their age limits. So be very clear about these. Don't get confused in this. Who has the power to establish IRD? Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India as per IRDA Act 1999. Who is going to establish this authority basically? Correct answer is D, central government. This is also mentioned directly in the section 3, establishment and incorporation of the authority that rests with the central government. What shall be credited to the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Fund as per IRDA Act 1999? So what shall be credited? All government grants, fees, charges received by the authority, all sums received by authority from such other source as may be decided upon by the central government. All sums received by the authority from such other source as decided by the state government, both A and B, either B, A or C. यहाँ पे and और के बारे में थोड़ा आपको cautious रहना होगा. Correct answer is D. Both A and B are the correct answers here. Actually, both are cumulatively covered in the section, that is section 16, Constitution of Fund. Clause A and Clause B are covering these 2 points. Which section of IRDA Act 1999 deals with the establishment of Insurance Advisory Committee? अभी ये कमिटी है जो इम्पोर्टेंट एरिया है, यहाँ से हम क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सेक्शन 20, 21, 22, 24, 25 ये तो सेक्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. मैंने कुछ सेक्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आपके लिए ऐड इसीलिए किए हैं ताकि आपको ये समझ में आए कि कहीं कहीं पर लैंडमार्क एरियाज अगर है तो हमें सेक्शन नंबर्स भी पता होने जरूरी है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ई. सेक्शन 25 डील्स विद एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजरी कमिटी. Section 25 deals with this. It is having many clauses over here. What is the purpose of the Insurance Advisory Committee, the objective, all of these things are covered over here. How many members it is going to consist of, who are the ex officio members and everything. So be very well versed with all the clauses of this section. Insurance Advisory Committee shall consist of. अभी हमने आपको प्रीवियस ही क्वेश्चन में बता दिया है, सो ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए काफी इजी हो जाता है. How many members are going to be there in Insurance Advisory Committee? So the correct answer over here is B, not more than 25 members excluding ex officio members. Section 25 clause 2. As per IRDA Act 1999, all questions which come up before any meeting of the authority shall be decided by majority of votes by the present members, majority of votes by members present, and in the event of an equality of votes, chairperson shall have a second or a casting vote. Majority of votes by members present and voting, and in the event of an equality of votes, chairperson or in his absence, the person presiding shall have a casting or a second vote. Now be very careful with the differences between the options. B and C have very less difference between them. That is how we get confused. Either B or C, none of the above. Now again they have given you a choice in B or C to make it more confusing for you. Correct answer is C only, that is covered under section 10 meetings of the authority. Clause 3 covers this as it is ही यहाँ से pick किया गया है. If you are very clear with the ingredients that are there in that particular clause, तो फिर यहाँ पे हमें confusion नहीं होगा. What is the objective of Insurance Advisory Committee? As I told you, section 25, be clear, वहीं से क्वेश्चन बनाया गया है. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कमिटी का, व्हाट इज द पर्पस, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव, व्हाट इज द कॉम्पोजिशन, ये सारी चीजें हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं इन एरियाज से. सो द करेक्ट आंसर ओवर हियर अगेन इज आंसर ए, टू एडवाइज द अथॉरिटी ऑन मैटर्स रिलेटिंग टू मेकिंग ऑफ रेगुलेशंस अंडर सेक्शन 26. यहाँ पे आपको सेक्शन 26 भी पढ़ना होगा. And in section 25 clause 4 itself they have mentioned specifically object of the Insurance Advisory Committee shall be to advise the authority on matters relating to making of regulations under section 26. Under what circumstances the central government may supersede the authority as per IRDA Act? Central government कब authority को supersede कर सकता है? I have displayed the answer, but that is all of the above. ये सारे circumstances में, on account of circumstances beyond the control of authority, it is unable to discharge the functions or perform the duties imposed on it by or under the provisions of the Act. If such circumstances exist which render it necessary in the public interest, or if the authority is persistently defaulted in complying with any direction given by the central government, then central government definitely can supersede the authority as per the Act. Section 19 talks about this. This is a specific provision that we have जहाँ से ये तीनों भी conditions को directly pick करके add किया गया है. So your answer will be all these three are correct. That is all of the above. Who can appoint officers and employees necessary for the efficient discharge of functions of the IRDA? IRDA is itself, central government, Insurance Advisory Committee, both A and B, both A and C. I think this can be simple, you can guess it also. IRDA definitely is going to appoint its own officers as per the requirement, and that much discretion will be given, appointing officers and such other employees as it considers necessary for efficient discharge of the functions under this Act. Section 12 covers this. The word IRDA stands for Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. This is Indian Regulatory Development Authority. Insurable means they have given you small differences in the options. Investment in Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, none of the above. I think this is also very pretty simple question, but very basic one. It's not that we cannot be prepared for basic and simple questions also. We have to be prepared with that first. So, ये काफी easy है. Act का नाम अगर आप पूरा पढ़ोगे तो भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. It is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Which of the following accurately describes the requirement placed on the authority regarding financial records as per the IRDA Act? Authority is not required to maintain any financial records only. Authority must maintain proper accounts and prepare an annual statement of accounts in consultation with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Authority is solely responsible for preparing its financial records without external consultation. Authority must prepare an annual statement of accounts but is not obliged to maintain proper records. Authority is not subjected to any requirements regarding the financial reporting. What is accurately describing the requirements that are placed on authority regarding financial records as per the IRDA Act? So what is accurately describing that you have to choose from all the options mentioned here? Correct answer is B. Authority must maintain proper accounts and prepare annual statement of accounts in consultation with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. CAG. Correct answer is B. Accounts and audit के बारे में mention किया है section 17 में, जहाँ पे ये directly mentioned है in clause 1 itself. उसको directly pick किया है यहाँ पे. Which of the following accurately describes the creation and funding of IRDA fund under IRDA Act? Again a direct question, but accurately describe ऐड किया तो आपको confuse नहीं होना है. Just they have asked you what describes it. How is the fund established? Whether through contributions from insurance companies, through donations from public, through government grants, fees, charges received by authority, other sums decided upon by the central government, solely supported by fees and charges levied on policyholders. Fund is funded entirely by the central government without any other sources of income. Correct answer is C. Fund is established with government grants, fees, charges received by the authority and other sums that are decided upon by the central government. This is covered under Constitution of Fund section 16 clause 1. Clause 1 में ये specifically दिया है A and B में. पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी आपको ये एक अलग तरीके से पूछा गया था. यहाँ पे आपको पूछा है accurately describes. तो हमें framing of question पे भी ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी होता है जब हम question solve करते हैं. How the questions are framed, according to that we have to choose the correct answer and not get confused because of that. Many times we take it lightly or we take it more seriously that we get confused with the correct answer only. That should not happen also. What is the duration of term of office for a part-time member of authority under IRDA Act? For an indefinite term, for a term of 3 years, for a term less than 5 years, for a term not exceeding 5 years from the date they assume office, for a part-time member holding office for a term exceeding 5 years. Again, as I told you, questions relating to composition, tenure of office, all these things we can expect. यहाँ पे उन्होंने directly part-time members के बारे में पूछा है. Correct answer is D. Part-time members hold office for a term not exceeding 5 years from the date they assume office. Tenure of office of chairperson and other members is all together given at one place in section 5. So this was all from the IRDA Act. If you have any doubts and queries, do reach out to us in the comment section of the video. Also, we will respond there. कोई भी queries हो, also you can reach out to us by any of the following modes. To visit our website, check out the courses, prepare 50% faster with us at iExamD. Download our app from Google Play Store and check out the full course access available. Thank you, everybody.